Hello and welcome to this very short introduction to a new project I'm working on. It's called Wächter. It is an application to track and throttle or block network traffic. Here's the user interface currently. We have a graph at the bottom with the total network traffic. We have a main tree view with all active processes and their connections. We can click on them, we can get some information about them, how much they've uploaded, how much they've downloaded. The local endpoint is in the remote endpoint, as well as the protocol type and the service that is most likely associated with this port. As a test, we can create a ping command. We will see it show up here. We can then take this command and go over in the rules column, and we can block the download. And now we will see that it can no longer receive data, while it is still sending out data. You can also see it's now stopped over here. If we remove this rule again, you can see it continues. Alternatively, we can also download something. Let's just search for curl here. This download is capped at 500 kilobytes per second, roughly. That is curl doing the limiting, but we can also limit it ourselves. So if we go here, we can limit either the connection, the process, or the application. Click on the limit download option, type in our limit, click OK. You can see it is now limited to roughly 222 kilobytes per second. And that is the basic features currently. We also have a log over here for some information, and we have a connection history, which shows us connections that were made in the past. So we have a LibreWolf, start time, end time, data in, data out, and the port. And that's basically it. If you want to know more, you can go to wächter.st, waechter.st. There are some basic documents for getting it up and running. If you are on Arch Linux or an Arch-based distribution, you can install the AUR package, which is wächter-git. And we also have the GitHub repository. The current status. Still planned features are persistent rules. Currently the rules are not being saved to disk. They are just as long as the service is running. And there's no long-term traffic statistics either, which would be nice to have. Yeah, that's basically it. You can test it. It's still in early development, so it's not completely stable, but it should the basic function should work. And that is it. If you're wondering about the unregistered thing, you can register it with a username and a serial key here. And if you don't have one, it's always the old way of doing things.